mostly of Alani should show. Come on, camera. Wait, let me hold it. Sit in the fridge. Why? You're rude. You're rude. Let's go
Alright, moving on, Jalen. Cheyenne.
Do not. Well, I'm sitting in the freezer.
No, you guys come now. Ready? Cheyenne, you're kidding me. Come.
Hey, girl.
Don't shout at the baby. Take the picture from her. She's putting it in her mouth. Come now, let's go. Out the fridge. Close the freezer.
Take a video?
Very good.
Take a video?
No ice for you.
I want us to give me 2 pieces and fries. I got this feeling inside my bones. We go to let it be. I'm just going to take a little piece
Alright.
of Pringle. Come out!
Who's that?
Alani!
No, it's not. Jalen, Cheyenne, hurry up now.
Well, I got 4 more pictures to show her, so.
Well,
you
let's
can't.
see. I see it already. Help her. Excuse. Just take out
I
the
took
bag.
4 pictures, so maybe you can't resist her.
Cheese and peas, the picnic finger. Come now. Come, Alani.
Give me one, yeah.
Come. Come, baby.
Mommy, Jimmy called me yell again.
I'm going to slap her. Close the fridge for me. Close it. Gonna close it? Close the fridge.
What is that from the bottom cracker? Mama?
Oh, Okay, come. Here. Alani, stop. Come my finger now. Really? Baby? Hi, my baby. Ready?
Baby blocking my